Unlock the power of Higgsfield and transform your workflows by mastering its intricacies with this quick guide. The very first step is crucial. Head over to the official Higgsfield website and locate their documentation section. This is your primary source for understanding everything Higgsfield offers. You can usually find this under the Help, Support, or Documentation tab. Once there, take your time to explore the various sections. Pay close attention to introductory materials, getting started guides, and feature overviews. A powerful search bar will help you quickly find exactly what you are looking for. Don't skip the video tutorials. Higgsfield often provides visual walkthroughs of key features and functionalities. Watching these tutorials while simultaneously experimenting with the software is a great learning strategy. Pause, rewind, and practice. As you explore, focus on understanding how Higgsfield can be applied to your specific needs. Consider your current workflows and how Higgsfield's features could streamline or enhance them. Many documentations include application cases. The best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment with Higgsfield's various features and functionalities. Follow along with the tutorials, try out different settings, and see how they affect the outcome. By diligently studying the documentation and actively experimenting with Higgsfield, you'll be well on your way to effectively integrating it into your workflow and achieving optimal results. Good luck!